Alright, in this video I'm going to go from this to this using this and this. So previously I put in LEDs in here and I really don't like the look of them, and this one burned out anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and replace them with just standard incandescent bulbs. I like the way they light up better. So let's get started. So there's 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips. Use caution on this thing because it will shatter easily, probably. Dude is stuck. You got 3 bolts right here. Oh, it's wet. Just twist it, pull it out. Let's see why that one ain't working. Rusted. And these are 912 bulbs. There'll be a link down in the description. So you can purchase some from Amazon if you need them. I'm just going to do them one at a time here. So hopefully you can see it okay. Just turn it a quarter turn. Oh goodness, and it'll pop out. It's cold out here today, so stuff ain't working as good as it ought to. My fingers are not going to work. There we go. Ooh. Ooh, don't let that go inside there. There we go. Just pop it back in, screw it on. I'm going to test it first. And they're all working now, so just going to replace the screws. There you go, that's all there is to it. And as I mentioned before, there'll be a link in the description down there for the bulbs, LEDs if you try those out. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.